I needed something, someone to trust in, yeah. I needed something to get me through this life. Never saw you coming, and now we're just running, yeah. You make me feel nothing when we're driving through the night. And I've been looking all around at the places you and I were seeing so many different faces. We're just cruising right on through this life with the playlist, and everything is right. Never really thought I would make it. Found someone who I don't think I'll ever replace, and I'm empty in my heart, so you can just take it. I'm living my best life, and I feel so alive with you by my side. We can make a life. I've got nothing to hide. Driving so fast, every town pass. Never look back, we're good at that. Cause I feel so alive. Damn, you look good tonight. We're driving through rain, running through sun, and looking at planes. We're cruising through towns, moving all around, but you stay the same. We like to run away, we're ditching all our pain and living for today. We're driving so fast, wanna make it last, we'll do it our way. And I feel good at night, full moon the only light. You make me feel like I'm doing alright. I feel good inside, maybe a little high. You make me feel like everything will be alright. I feel so alive with you by my side. We can make a life. I've got nothing to hide. Driving so fast, every town pass. Never look back, we're good at that. Cause I feel so alive. Damn, you look good tonight. And I feel so alive with you by my side. We can make a life. I've got nothing to hide. Driving so fast, every town pass. Never look back, we're good at that. Cause I feel so alive. Damn, you look good tonight. and it's my life. So I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, yeah, let's go, yeah. Yeah, got my life in my hands. I've been running all around, but I ain't got any plans. All the homies cruise around and we just packed in a van, hitting every single town where we know all of the fans. Whoa girl, what you running from now? I could tell that she was looking for a hell of a time. I just wanna take her back now. I just wanna take her back now. Whoa, and she got those moves that everybody wanna see, and she like that groove and got me begging, baby, please, it's just me and you. I like this view, okay, 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 I don't wanna wait for a good time, so I'm gonna make us a good time. We could fake it and make it, just take it now, and we can shake it and break it, just let it out. It's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, let's go, yeah, yeah. Summer nights when we put on a show. Anybody wanna come and anybody can go. Cranking up the energy with the no radio. And she's saying, baby, please, can we do it some more? Okay, guess we're doing this thing. Round two, and she cute and I don't know her name. In the middle of the room, spilling all the champagne, shaking hips, cherry lips in a tight little frame. Hey, okay, okay, though, yeah. Tear it up, tornado. Do you wanna play a game, though? Yeah, molding bodies like it's Play-Doh. Damn, it's a hell of a thing. Watch your hips move around as the melody sings. Like a kid crushing now as I see him in swing. I just wanna pull her in like a fish on a string. It's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, and it's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, and it's my life, so I'll do what I want to, and I'll get what I want to. Whoa, cause it's my life, and I'll get high if I want to. I'll live my life how I want to. Whoa, whoa.
Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. Cause yeah, we still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family, watch your husband with his son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it off this bed. I hope I go to heaven, so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine, it sucks that it's all ending. For too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.
I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, hey.
Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah. I'm happy that you're here with me, I'm sorry if I tear up. When me and you were younger, you would always make me cheer up. Taking goofy videos and walking through the park, you would jump into my arms every time you heard a bark. Cuddle in your sheets, sang me sound asleep, and sneak out through your kitchen at exactly 1:03. Sundays went to church, and Mondays watched a movie. Soon you'll be alone, sorry that you have to lose me. Too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll and going out of bed.
And don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. It'll get you up and going out of bed. And don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. It'll get you up and going out of bed.